In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in Wrike. First things first, open your preferred browser and type Wrike into the search bar. Press Enter, and you'll be able to easily find the Wrike website in the search results. Once you're there, you'll notice the options to either log in or try Wrike for free. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on the Login button. If you're new to Wrike and just exploring the features, you can click on Try Wrike for free to access the site. After logging in or accessing the free trial, you'll be taken to your personal workspace. Here, you'll want to navigate to the specific space that contains the project you wish to delete. Wrike uses these spaces to organize different projects and tasks, so make sure you're in the right place. Once you've found the correct space, look for the project you want to remove. You'll see a title associated with this project. Beside the title, there's an information icon, often represented by a small I. Click on this icon. It's going to open up the item view for the project, giving you all the details you need at your fingertips. Now, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the item view. You'll see a three-dot button, sometimes referred to as an ellipsis. Clicking on this button will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Delete. Click on this to initiate the deletion process. You might feel a moment of hesitation here, as permanently deleting a project can seem daunting. Don't worry, because Wrike has a confirmation window to prevent any accidental deletions. In this confirmation window, you'll see a prompt asking if you're sure you want to delete the project. This is your last chance to back out if you're having second thoughts. However, if you're certain that this is the action you want to take, go ahead and click Delete once again. By doing this, you're permanently removing the project from your Wrike workspace. It's important to remember that once a project is deleted in Wrike, there really isn't a recovery option. So always double-check before confirming the deletion. And that's it! You've successfully deleted a project in Wrike. With these easy steps, managing your workspace and keeping things organized is a breeze. Thanks for watching, and have a great day managing your projects in Wrike.